Sunday is day off here. We are like European countries. Saturday and Sunday day off. And we have a long way to Gabala, 3 hours and a half. It's 225 kilometers away from Baku. So it will take 3 hours half. And in the halfway, we will have break for 10-15 minutes. Usually we do in Şamaxı city. It's also another big city in Azerbaijan, Şamaxı. And you will have you will use washroom. Also, you can have tea, coffee. You can enjoy your time there. And in Gabala, Gabala actually it's we are going to Tufandag. In Gabala have Tufandag mountain resort. Tufandag is the third highest peak in Azerbaijan. Tufan, maybe in Urdu language also you have. Tufan is storm, Dağ is mountain. Tufan Dağ. And it's third highest peak. The first one, the Bazardüzü. The second peak, Şahdağ. And third, Tufandag. Close to the height, close to 4,200 meters above the sea level. So now, when we leave Baku, you know, it's Baku 28 meters below the sea level. It's the biggest city in the world and the only capital city in the world that 28 meters below the sea level.